TotalBoat's new and improved TotalFair formula has a thicker consistency, giving you better control while scooping, mixing, and spreading. It's easier to spread the product where you need it, and it works great on vertical surfaces. Our updated formula also has improved sandability, resulting in a surface that's smooth, even, and pinhole-free, so your finished product looks great. When you open the containers, remove the film, but keep them for storage between uses. You may notice a green tint on the blue component. This is normal oxidation from the air and won't impact the performance of TotalFair. TotalFair has color-coded components for easy one-to-one mixing. Mix together small, workable amounts of product at a time, and blend them together until it's green, streak-free without any yellow or blue visible. If you've used the original formula before, you'll notice that the new formula is thicker. However, it quickly mixes together and results in an easier-to-control material that sands better. You may also notice that the half-gallon containers aren't filled to the top. The container volume is larger than a half gallon, however, there is a half gallon of product inside. When using TotalFair, you'll want to ensure that the material and the temperature of the room that you are working in is between 50 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Note, if you're working in cooler temperatures, the product will initially feel more firm, but after about 30 seconds, it will soften.